2 months now. So I'm gonna take her hair down. It's due for a wash, deep condition her hair. It's gonna be like a it's gonna be like a 3-day process actually. I'm gonna take her hair down, wash it tomorrow, and probably style it. So we shall see. So it's been about 3 hours. I think I started around like 2:35. It's 5:41. Peyton's hair is detangled, and we're gonna get ready for it to get washed tomorrow. So for her wash day, I decided to use the Creme Clay and Charcoal collection because it has a really good slip and her hair hasn't been washed for 2 months. And I dip condition with the My Elegance Rice Water Deep Conditioner. Okay guys, so I've washed and blow dry her hair. And I just wanted y'all to see her hair. It's so beautiful. And she cried a lot, but we're done. I thought I was gonna braid her hair, but she said she wants pigtails, so that's what I'm gonna do. And you guys will see that tomorrow after I'm finished styling her hair. So I'm gonna just braid it down like I've braided the rest of them so that she can go to sleep and everything. And this is the first time I actually have a successful blow drying that I could actually put my fingers through her hair and it don't hurt. Guys, do not crucify me, but I completely forgot to record the pigtail video because we were running late for a drive-by birthday party, and you see it's the 12th and not the 10th. So it's a holiday, and today is her TT's birthday, and she's gonna go hang with her TT and her grandma. They're gonna go to dinner later on at night, so I just wanted to make sure her hair was prepared. And although Peyton hair is blow dried, it's a little bit more manageable, but she is very tender-headed and her hair is so thick, and even though it's blow dried, I still have to make sure I detangle every single strand before I can put it into this ponytail. And I had to do it in separate sections because if I tried to do it all at once, whoo child, she was gonna kill me, because I already know what type of pain she will have because I'm very tender-headed myself. So I took my time and detangled her hair, and then I used some Blue Magic to moisturize her ends and her hair, and then I brushed it all up in a ponytail so that I can achieve the perfect ponytail for her little head. Also, guys, if you have not done so yet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so that you can be updated all of my upcoming videos. And I will drop my Instagram handle somewhere around on the screen so that you can follow me on Instagram and talk to me and hit me up in my DMs and just get more acquainted with me and get to know me a little bit more. So you guys can continue to watch the video as I finish the updo. I love you guys, and I thank you so much for sticking with me this far. So you guys, this is the finishing product of the updo. I added some tribal beads to her hair. She really liked it. I just played around with them. Instead of keeping it all of them at the bottom, I just positioned them in a fun way. And she's ready to go. She's gonna turn around for you guys. And then thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there's anything that you would like to see, just comment below. Let me know how you like this style. And have a good one. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.